So today we got a few different projects going on with the van. First of which is to deaden the sound of the doors, especially the front doors. And I also have a few other things I want to fix. So I'll show you that later. First we're gonna get starting with the doors. I'm trying to get these panels off without breaking them, and they're pretty old, so we'll see how that works.
To your last $5, 2 smokes, you got big dreams. You're just an ambitious proletariat, questioning what it all means now that you found out that it doesn't mean anything to be right when the world is wrong. I'm so sorry to hear that you're crestfallen alone now. Do you believe in it's new? Something bigger than you. Something bigger than you see it. Something small, just a flicker, and you swear it was real, but you fooled before. For the first time, for the last time, for the first time, for the last time. I'm so sorry to hear that you're crestfallen alone.
I've been working for a few hours with this. It took a lot longer than I expected, to be honest. But as you can see, I have tried to fill out the door as best as I can. Down here, here, and also like in the back here there is some. So I hope this was worth the effort. We also gonna do something to the door. We hope it's gonna work wonders for the van. In order to insulate the doors even better, we are experimenting with some special material to cover the inside of the doors, as you can see. Those butt warmers you have once you go out hiking, that's the ones we have cut up to fit inside the door here. And the reason why we went for these was because they're so thin and they do provide a bit of insulation. Hopefully it's gonna make it even more quiet inside of the car, and also the doors won't feel so echoey once you close them because of the extra layer. Oh, as you can see, the door is in place, and now for the official sound test. We're doing a sound test. Let's do the knock test.
Okay. Completely hollow.
Yes!
That
The
is such
effort.
a difference.
The effort was worth it. Nice. Yes! As you can see on our wheels, we have something that doesn't look really white anymore. So I think it's going to be hard keeping them the way we want them. So we are actually doing something drastically. We are changing the color. So Benedicta is going to make them all black. And as you see,
These are supposed to be white and they're even washed now. So this is as clean as we are able to get them.
Not so good looking anymore.
Nope.
While I'm making the finishing touches on the doors, Benedicta is up to something completely different. She loves to have a new project every now and then, and this is the latest one. So tell us, what are you doing?
I don't know what your first guess would be. Maybe not a shower curtain, but that's what I'm going for here. I don't know if you remember how we showered last summer.
Insert clip here.
Yep. Not very private. You can say that. So I wanted to find like a really simple solution which worked for us so that we could shower a bit more often and a bit more private next summer. So this is actually just a hula hoop. It serves many purposes. I wanted something that was easily to store, so I just split it in two. There's another split over here, and that way you can just divide it in two, and then we store it in this cupboard here. When you want to shower, you just put the pieces together because we didn't want anything too permanent. And then we have the other one. So this is like the only permanent thing about this shower, and I think it's kind of insignificant. So you just pop this one on, pull out the curtain, and oh, it's windy. You're ready for a shower. We're gonna have our shower, like the bag, on top of the hatch to warm it up, and also then we could just have the shower head like on this metal thing, and then you would just have it down there. That's the theory. Simon is still working on the door, and I have insulated the door panel, so I thought I would start on another project. We have invested in some proper tools, an axe and a saw, and the plan is to attach them on the inside of this panel so that we have easy access and that we always know where to find them. And these are really convenient to have when we're at like a camp spot or want to make a fire instead of bringing wood everywhere. Okay, the exciting part. Let's see.